Hey, guys! Have you ever stopped to think about how secure your favorite websites really are? Well, today we're going to dive into the world of website security and explore a simple yet effective hacking trick that might surprise you. Website security is a critical aspect of the online world, yet many websites are vulnerable to hacking. Hackers exploit common vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access and wreak havoc. Today, we'll uncover some of these vulnerabilities and learn how to protect ourselves. Presentation of problem/challenge. Protecting a website from hacking techniques is a daunting challenge. The consequences of a successful hack can be devastating, ranging from stolen data to complete shutdowns. It's crucial for website owners and users alike to understand the risks and take proactive measures. Exploration/development. Now, let's talk about a simple but powerful hacking technique that can be used to exploit website vulnerabilities. This technique is surprisingly easy to execute and can reveal just how fragile website security can be. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of hacking. Climax/key moment. Here comes the exciting part. We're going to demonstrate this hacking technique in action on a sample website. By showcasing the potential impact of a successful hack, we'll shed light on the importance of robust security measures. Get ready to witness how a simple trick can expose major weaknesses. Conclusion/summary. In conclusion, website security is not something to be taken lightly.